What's up, everybody? It's been a hot minute, but that's all right. There's been a lot just going on elsewhere, so I haven't really been working on stuff, but I have some projects today. Super excited about. We're going to be working on some Skylerlabs stuff. I have a 3D air filter that somebody made on eBay. We're going to install that. But yeah, excited to get some of these new things on my OldSols. Well, the engine is still at the machine shop. So I hit him up about a week ago. He said I was like 3 weeks out maybe. So after the holidays, maybe I'll get the engine back from the machine shop. Don't know, but we'll see. But let's get into what we're working on today. All right, here, folks. Well, I have some new Skylerlabs outer door handles that have not released yet. The other ones, the ones that don't have the holes in them, have released. And these, I believe, will be available after the new year. This is kind of what Mario's been working on, but he was awesome enough to send me a set. Put the little OldSols logo on there for me, so I am very excited about these, and they're just super nice quality. So that's what we're going to be installing today. Yeah. Alright, so how these guys work, there is one tiny little screw and actual rod right here. And then there's another large one right there. Okay, well, I don't have an Allen wrench that tiny. That's a really tiny little Allen wrench. So, yeah, we're just gonna twist that off by hand and figure that guy out later. Don't lose this little washer right there. That's very, very tiny. All right, so we got that apart. Put those over there like that. So on here, the fun part is you have to get this guy out right here, and you have to get this guy out as well, which is this one up here, right there. So we have to drill with our drill bit this guy and this guy without messing up your door handle. Yeah, so let's not screw anything up, but yeah, I'm not sure once we pop this off if this is all gonna fly back because it's under this like actual tension right here. So we might just loosey-goosey this little guy up right here, just so we don't break it further. Maybe if I can get that loose. Oh, all right, I got it. Okay, so now that guy right there is loose. So I just, that's fine. There's not really an easy way to do this. You really can't put your door handle like in some sort of a because like me, I don't want to scratch this. I don't want to scratch that up, so I can't like put it on anything. So you just, I don't know, you just kind of have to awkwardly try to hold it with one hand and like drill drill this little sucker out. Just like, and maybe hold it because you can see that it kind of moves right there. Alright, we're going to switch to the Dremel, and I'm just going to Dremel this tiny little part out. Alright, well, let the sucker go through now. Push through. Jesus. Okay. So there's that one. Now we gotta do this top one. I don't know what the best method is for that one there, guys. Honestly. This was way easier, not gonna lie about that. Don't lose these. Okay, so, yeah, not fucking know. It's fine. Now we gotta get that one out. Am I not through here yet? There's no way. There's no way I'm not through yet. Yeah, I think I'm through. Maybe I'm... Huh. Oh, well. That's one way to do it too. I guess you can... You could get it out now. Alright, well, we'll put that up to the side here. Oh, it's just barely hanging on. Okay, got it. I'm gonna have to drill out that hole to get this guy in here, which is fine. That's not a big deal. I just want to see if this comes out now. Oh yeah, no. Yeah, those are just hard. Those are, so. I was able to get it out, that's for sure. Now I just got to open up this hole just a little bit more to fit this guy into there. So let's do that, I guess. All right, well, so here's how this is gonna look. So this guy is gonna line up with those holes in there, and it's gonna slide on in just like that. And your door handle is gonna sit in there like so, which is pretty badass. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Okay, so you gotta make sure you line up all your holes and whatnot here, folks. And yep. Okay. Now you got to get your wheel or your little spring back on here, which is always fucking fun. You catch it on this guy, you catch it on that guy, and then you shove it back down into the slot. And then I usually use like a tool to get this guy pulled all the way back down into place. All right. And we're there, folks. And we're fucking there. Okay, so now we need this guy. Wow. Yeah, have a good time. Have a good beep, 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 beep. All right, folks. Well, there you have it. There is the door handle installed. Skylerlabs right there. Yeah, she's installed. Those are pretty cool, huh? Let me move my arm. That's it. And that's it, folks. I am really happy with that. Those are cool. Those are really cool, that's for sure. Well, that was fun. Exciting. It wasn't hard. You just have to figure out how you're gonna get those pins out. Honestly, you just have to figure out, you know, how you want to get, this is my other one, how you want to get this pin out and how you want to get this other pin out. There's probably a method to the madness that I'm unaware of, but with the tools and the knowledge that I have, that's how I did it. A combination of the drill and the Dremel, and I did use one of these punches and I was able to get them out. So thank you to Mario. They're really cool, man. That's just a really cool upgrade to the OldSols and a door handle, and that's just really fun. One of those cool, fun things. So I'm really happy about that. Always appreciative to him. I do believe these will be available after the holidays into next year, as well as everything else that Wizard is trying to cook up with for the OldSols. But I'm not going to show you the install of the other one because it's the same thing and you don't want to watch me do that again. And I'm not going to show you reinstalling these on the door because that's already on YouTube and it's already in the manual, which is in our Discord. So get in there. But yeah, it was really cool. not too bad. Just have to have some Zen moments and make sure you don't mess up your door handle. So, all right, I got more stuff to do. I have another vlog coming. I bought this cool air filter for the Del Sol, and it goes up underneath in your interior where the like AC and heater actual fan is. Kind of sucks up in there, and we'll see how that works. But that's coming on the next vlog. So until that one, peace, ladies and gents. Have a good Christmas. Thank you so much.